Good morning. Today is May the 8th, I believe. I'm going to do a tour of my garden front yard. These are alliums. What variety, I'm not sure, but they are nice and tall. The clematis is coming out. But I just wanted to show how pretty these are. They are absolutely gorgeous. Clematis is nice size. It really is. Last year, I planted this red bud that I got from Aldi's. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's growing up nicely. I put some coleus of different varieties with this pot and a nice Dracaena, I believe they call it, spiked plant in the middle as my thriller. And before the season is up, these coleus will have draped all the way down. You probably will not be able to see the orange pot, but there's two of those. I have 3 limelight hydrangeas. Believe it or not, that's one, and that's the other one. These are lilies right here. And there is Priscilla right there. I put 2 pots right next to the lilies. They are boxwoods. I just trimmed those up. And up front, I have spotted some annuals, some coleus, and I have Supertunia Vista, the white variety. This one plant fills in so much that you don't even have to have very many. This one white plant will fill this area, and there's another one right here. It will fill this area. And let's see. Daffodils are done. I got 3 giant hostas right here. I have a hydrangea tree. On this side, I have an elephant ear in this pot. I may put something underneath in the pot. These are climbing roses. Loads of ferns and iris. It's a wild violet right there. Have Canis coming up. Pachysandra. I believe that's Pachysandra. More yellow iris and a beautiful azalea. Amsonia. I forget the name of this, but it's really pretty. A nice big hosta. Let's see. Little marigolds put in here. I have Creeping Jenny. More hostas. More marigolds. This is a clematis as well as silver lace vine. I do not know the name of this clematis, but I love it entangled with this silver lace vine. Hostas. There is hydrangea. More hosta. Beautiful hosta. This is Patriot, which I absolutely love, that hosta. Let's go back this way. Under this tree, I have some Autumn Joy sedums. I have some hostas and some lamb's ear. Some more heucheras. Love the color of the heuchera. Some little baby ear hostas. And over here is a little island all on its own. And these are roses, irises, lilies, just packed full of stuff, marigolds. And check out this allium. OMG, look at that. I don't know the name of that one, but that's probably the Globe Master. That's probably the Globe Master allium. That is huge. And I believe this is an allium as well, but I don't know the name of it. I absolutely love it with my red vase. People say that they get lost coming home if they don't see this vase. So funny. And then this island at the end, it has my beautiful Japanese maple I've had for years. I have roses, all kinds of stuff. These coleus are real pretty. This is a phlox, more alliums, and this is a clematis on that vine, and elephant ears along with white Supertunia Vista, so that will be profusely coming out of that pot. More coleus. I do not know the name of this, but I absolutely love it. I'm gonna have to find the name of it and get some more because it is totally pretty. Now this clematis, I do know the name of. It's called the President, and these purple flowers that it produces are like the size of your hand. But that is the tour of the front. Lots to see, lots of things popping up. I'm gonna end with this beautiful rose right here. And that is it for today.